I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real.
Good morning and welcome back. Good morning. It's actually good afternoon and welcome back to the vlog. It's actually right now about to be 6 o'clock. We're about to leave to go to a friend of ours' houses in Sebring. Gonna have a little fire, little get together. It's actually birthday weekend, so they're gonna celebrate that as well. But I wanted to give you guys a little update on the Auxbeam LED bulbs for the headlights that I put in. I did not order the correct bulb retainer clips. I actually didn't order clips at all. I didn't know that the bulbs needed them. I thought I could actually use the factory ones, but I couldn't. The way these bulbs were designed was very weird because they have a very fat base and they can only be used with certain bulb retainers or clips. So I went ahead and ordered those special clips or retainers, whatever you want to call them, bulb holders from Auxbeam. They were like $3 or $4 for the set. And since I only installed the low beam LEDs, I'm only going to get one set. I probably will get the high beam LEDs with the matching clips and or bulb retainer holder clips, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to call them retainers because they sounds more intelligent when you say retainer. But it also probably makes me sound like an idiot because I'm not using the right word. So those will probably be in the next vlog. They'll be here Monday or Tuesday of next week. So I'll get that up on the channel so you guys can see that. But I am going to show you guys the light output on the S2 LED bulbs that I have. They are 6500 Kelvin temperature. I want to say they're 48 watts each. I can't remember if it's 48 watts or 42 watts. I don't know. I'll look it up and put the bulbs in the description. So I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna get out of this chilly weather here in Florida. I think it's like 50 right now or 55, something like that. But it's chilly because there's a very mild wind. So everyone up north that's complaining because it's snowing, well, I'm complaining because the wind, it's just a little too chilly. So go ahead and show you guys this light output, and next maybe show you some bonfire. Let's do it.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. When are you?